So in the next part, we are going to show you the area chart which has been recommended. Here we have a data set of movie types. The tickets sold in 2023, January to December. So what we have to do is we have to find out the area sales area of this of those movies. So we are going to select over here, if we want to select here to the January to the December, like comedy, thriller, documentary, romance. So here what we are going to do is we are going to click over here in insert, and we are going to select from the area chart. So if we select the area chart, what is going to happen, here the information has been given is only the thriller, and this is romance and comedy points. And so what we have gotten, only comedy, thriller, and the information of romance. So if we want to select the documentary, we cannot get it from here. So this is a problem while you select that area chart. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go to the we are going to the chart again. We are going to select it again, and what we are going to do is we are going to insert again, and we are going to press over here in the, not from here. If we press over here, it will give us a recommended chart list. So, say here this is this is not the exact this is a messy data we will get from here, and this is also a messy data which we don't recommend. This is the chart type which is the stacked area chart. So if we select OK, it will give us the accurate information about this. Okay, so the stacked area chart that we have to select, and while we select here, we can get easily the information, if we select over here, it will give us romance. While we select in the second line, it will give us the documentary information. While we select the third one, it will give us a thriller information, and the last one, the blue one, is giving us the information of comedy. So this is how you will work on it on thriller on the movie ticket selling or area charter. So what we can name it here is the movie ticket sold. Okay, so this is the name we are I'm going to put over here, and this is how you will analyze here. But we need to move it to the down part, as we have already named it here the information. And now what we are going to do, see, you can see find out here the chart, the area chart, and you can find out the ticket sold. If we want to go to if we go to there again, if we select over here in the insert section, and insert tab, we select in the down arrow marker, and this is quite nice, clean and tidy information where we can get from the stack chart area though. So this is the area chart that you can I would like to recommend you work on it. So this is how you will analyze the total movie ticket selling information. Now we are going to work on the next part, which is bar column column chart and bar chart. So what we have to do, we are going to work on movie types and the comedies, comedy, thriller, documentary, and romance. And we want to check on the whole section whole throughout the year sales of this section. So what we are going to do, we are going to select the movie type and the total amount that has been sold, and going to insert, and we are going to press in here the down arrow again, and it will give us a nice clean and tidy information. Like if we want to make it a chart, like this is a column chart, so the column chart you can make over here, and you can put it you can format it like select right click over here, format cells, and you can easily select in the chart area, and you go press the three column option, and then the information gap width, you will give 40%, and it will be expanded, the column chart will be expanded. And again what I'm going to do is the comedy section has already been selected again, and I'm going to select the total of that comedy, and I'm going to insert on the insert the recommended charts, and I'm going to select over here, and it will give us this type of information. So which one you think is not messy and giving you the accurate information, you can select that while you are analyzing your part. Like this is the messy data, I can easily identify. So how you will clean it, and like here the information, and you can select over here, you can press here, and you can select from the plus option the chart elements that you are going to insert the data labels. Okay, so while you select the data labels, you can give it where would we like to select, where would you like to see the information. So this is not the best information, that inside end is not the best in, output, and outside end, while you select the outside end, it will give you the most clean, nice and tidy data information. Okay, so the information has been selected over here, and the next part, I would like to check on whether the January sales is highest, or January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So in which month we have sold the highest. So while you are comparing the month, you can select from the insert button and the recommended chart, and you can easily select like this is the column chart area, Pareto chart, while you can compare whether it is rising or it is that downsaging. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to select the chart type, as we are working on the column chart and bar chart. So what you have to select the chart title, chart of which is a cluster chart, and select OK, and you can easily compare the amount on what amount on of the highest cell and the lowest cell. Like from here you are getting an information of 95,006 and 95,384. So this September got the highest sales among the throughout the year. Okay, so this is how you can work on the bar chart and column charts, and so you can delete the grid lines from here, and you can select a format chart area, and you can increase the size of the columns. Select over here overlap, and this is 40%. Okay, so this looks great, nice, clean and tidy. Okay, now if you want to change the color of the bird of this sun the bar chart sun, you can easily select from here, and you can change it to the orange color, or this color. So this is quite yellow, but again it gives us a shade, so I like this chart very well. And you can make it your selected any kind of color you can give over here. Even if you want to go to the if you want to make any other kind of charts, you can go to the other part. So let's quickly go to the scatter plot area. So what we have to do is we have to go do the, while you will get two independent variables, like one is independent variable and the second is dependent variable. You must select the chart like as per your requirement, so that you may explain in the data analysis part. So go to the we have bonus and sales comparison, and so as per the recommended chart, we select the recommended chart, and it will not give us the whole information that we are going to take is from the scatter plot area. Okay, so while we select the scatter plot area, it will give us an information that we can explain, or we cannot explain. Like it is going downside, and we cannot say it like this is going down. And so what we have to do is we have to select here, and plot area, select the plot area, and we are going to select the marker, or vary by colors. You can give it vary by color, so it will give you the information that which one is the highest, which one is the lowest, and as per your requirement. So while you select this, like I don't need the our grid option, and we are going to delete it. And so what we can do extra from here, like here I select this one, and this is the line chart, and you have to select the smooth line, or you can select from here the, like this is the marker area, marker option, and this is not what we are actually looking for. Okay, so this is how you can work on it, and you have to put maybe a trend line would be great over here. And what we have to do is we have to change the, like this is the trend, linear trend line, and we are going to display whether the trend line is going upward or not. We have to select the line and begin arrow, the end arrow, where it is going. Okay, so there, this is the part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2.75. It looks better and it looks nice in this area. While we select do it plus so that its visible looks as good as I needed. So this is how you have to work on the scatter plot, this is how you can explain over here. So now I'm going to select the regional item, like regional category. So we are going to select over here in this part. What we are going to do is we have a regional item cells. I'm going to select I insert, and here the recommended chart and what they will give us. So the recommended charts are not suitable for us, this is not giving us the accurate information. This is the sunburst chart, but we cannot select it over here, as we are going to select the tree map. So we are going to work on the tree maps, and while we select the tree map, it will give us the accurate information of where the north, like north is the biggest one sales zone, area zone. So item 11 in the north part, so it gives us a different kind of colors, like in the north part, it sells on the highest, then east part, then west part, then the south part. As you know, everyone knows that our management always look for the information of the sales, and how much is selling in which zone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show so more data levels, and that we are going to show the value. So the value is giving over here. Now I don't need the category name, so category name, the series name, if we select this is the sales part, so we cannot select that. So category name we have to select over here, and this is how you have to work on it. And so again, if we want to check on the regional part, again we select here how you can work on it. And this is the way I'm going to show you the recommended part, and the recommended part gives us nothing, no information is happening over here. So we select over here, again go to the area part, and the area chart, area tree map. It gives us the information. Again we are going to select from here data levels, and more data levels option you can select from here, and the value you inserted is the recommended, is recommended, and this is how you will get the clean, nice and tidy sheet of the tree mapper. Now let's move on to the waterfall chart. And like most of the accountants has to find out the gross revenue. This is the accounting part, and if you are an accounts student, or if you are working on accounts part, you must show your data to your management, son, and you have to find out the revenue, how much is selected, and how much is selling over there. So this chart we will have to make, and if we delete it, from here. And we want to select, and we want to see when the sale was increased and when the how much did we spend on there. So the waterfall chart, once we select the waterfall chart, this is not giving us the accurate information, like see the previous one, the previous one was not that much comfortable. So we have a gross revenue of $100,000, and then we have spent done the cost of goods sold is 30,000 and 78,000. And the total one we have to make it a downstage, because we are spending money and adding money. This is how you can select, and like this is the pattern, format the data area, and you have to select, and like this is the pattern, you have to select the format data area, the set as total. While you select the set as total, it will go down again, yeah, what we have operating income. So operating income is over here set as total. Again we are selecting as total, and the net income is also set as total. While you select it and make it clear, and you can easily compare now with this data, with this set of information, like I'm going to remove the background grid line. So this is how you can tell your management that we have got the revenue of $100,000, and then $30,000 was the cost of goods sold, and we added the returns of 8,000, and we have got 78,000. Then we have spent in market on marketing of $10,000. Then we spend on commission for $4,500. Then 24,000 in the payroll section, and the equipment we have bought on 6,800, and then we have got a revenue of operating income 32,700. Then we have got interest on revenue, which is 4,500. Then we spend done interest expense was $2,000. Then we have gotten a loss from loss return, it was $9,000. And then we have got the net income of 26,200. So net income is 26,200. We can easily now explain to our management via this waterfall chart. So this is how you have to work on different kind of charts, and yeah, if you have any question, you can leave on the comment section below. And please do not forget, if you watch the video till now, I hope you like this video and share with your friends and family. So till then, stay with me.